Ready to dive into PHP coding in Adobe Dreamweaver on your Mac? Let's get started. First, make sure you have Adobe Dreamweaver installed on your Mac. If you don't, go ahead and download and install it from the Adobe website. Next, locate the PHP file you want to open. It might be on your desktop, in a folder, or received through a download. Now, open Dreamweaver. Once Dreamweaver is open, you'll have a blank canvas to open your PHP file. Go to the File menu, typically located at the top left of your screen. Then, in the File drop-down, click Open. A Finder window, like the one you use to browse your Mac's files, will pop up. Navigate to the location where your PHP file is saved. Click on the PHP file to select it. Then, click the Open button in the bottom right corner of the Finder window. Alternatively, you can double-click the PHP file in the Finder window to open the file. Dreamweaver will now load your PHP file, displaying the code in its editor. You'll see your PHP code, hopefully neatly formatted, with syntax highlighting that helps you easily identify different elements like variables, functions, and comments. This makes code editing much easier. To switch between multiple PHP files or any other files you have open, use the tabs at the top of the editing window. You can close files by clicking the X on their tab. Simple and fast. You can also manage your files with the panel on the right. Perfect for controlling different folders and files within a project. Just click the tab title you want to manage and it should appear. Congratulations, you've successfully opened your PHP file in Adobe Dreamweaver on your Mac. Now you're ready to start editing, creating, and developing your PHP projects. Don't forget to save your work. Happy coding!